Yung pre-trial brief, ma'am, ilang pages po yun?
I think it's 57.
And can you tell us anything about
I'm not, with respect to the contents of the brief, I'm not authorized to speak about it. So, sorry. Yun lang.
Diyan safe to say ba na parang nandun yung names ng witnesses?
Yeah, I've seen some names naman. Mayroon namang mga in-identify. Marami namang in-identify. So I think nag-press ko naman kanina sila Chair Luis Ron sa House.
So, list of evidence.
So we'll see you hopefully on Thursday.
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 Para dun sa ano na
Pero mga alam, yung ano bang supposedly contents ng pre-trial?
Of course, yung lahat. Yung witnesses, stipulation of facts, mga ganyan.
So today, we just submitted yung aming pre-trial brief as ordered by, of course, the impeachment court. So, today yung deadline. So we were able to submit na po after responding to Vice President.
Sir, how many pages po?
Pages, 60, around 60 something pages.
It has all the witnesses and evidence?
Of course, as much as possible, nilagay na natin lahat ng ating witnesses that we are looking to present, and also documentary evidence that we are looking to present.
Sir, ilang witnesses yung nasa?
Medyo we can't have to examine number 7 yun. Several. So, pasensya na kayo.
anything else, sir, na you can share with us? Ano po ba yung mga nilalangan pa ng pre-trial brief that
We can't because as you know, under the rules of the Senate Impeachment Court, we cannot discuss the merits of the case or findings. So, hindi na muna kami magdi-discuss niyan. All we can say is, of course, ito naman yung proseso. As you can see, sumusunod tayo sa proseso and we are looking forward to the pre-trial conference. They scheduled this Thursday. Always in good spirits, always in good spirits. Sabi nga namin parati, tuloy-tuloy na lang yung trabaho niya bilang Vice Presidente, regardless of the impeachment proceedings. Kaya nga nandito kami sa defense team para kahit may ganit tayong impeachment, sa kanya tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung para magampanan niya yung mandato niya. Vice Presidente, tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho.